So good day guys, today I will show to you the Node.js integration to PayPal. It's just a dummy project, so basic project only. This is the dummy account for personal, so currently this is the amount. Next, this is the business account. Sorry for the lag because the internet is bad. So 620 cents activities. These are all the activities. So we'll make new transaction. Then just put description. Then we will be redirected to the PayPal. I already logged in, so didn't ask for credentials here. Just continue. It will be redirected and it will be processed by the app. So it is successful. I just didn't display all the data, but you can map it here. So to check if it really is successful, so let's refresh here. So minus 800. Here, and in the business part, just refresh. So it says here, this was successful. That's all guys. If you want me to explain, just click the subscribe and the like button. Thank you.